DevOps is a modern approach to software development that brings together two teams, development and operations, to work as one. Traditionally, developers wrote code and handed it off to operations teams to deploy and maintain. But this handoff often caused delays, bugs, and miscommunication. DevOps solves that by fostering collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. It's not a tool, it's a culture, a mindset, and a set of practices. The goal? To deliver software faster, more reliably, and with higher quality. DevOps uses practices like CD, which stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery. This means developers push code changes frequently, which are automatically tested and deployed. This reduces manual work, increases feedback loops, and improves efficiency. Popular DevOps tools include Git for version control, Jenkins for automation, Docker and Kubernetes for containers and orchestration, and Terraform or Ansible for infrastructure as code. DevOps also embraces monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana to ensure everything runs smoothly in real time. Ultimately, DevOps breaks down silos, speeds up innovation, and helps businesses scale confidently. Whether you're a developer, sysadmin, or just tech curious, understanding DevOps is a powerful step in leveling up your IT career.